Amazing creative construction worker you must see. This machine helps the engineers to have the plane balance of the material that is placed on the surface of the land, and then it is accompanied by the upper layer of another element. This machine is very easy to operate. The machine comes with a giant planer which covers a major part of the area. Basically, the concrete is applied in the area, then the planer comes in the form of planing a balanced amount of the material in the area. This technology comes with a number of benefits, with not only cutting the required labors, but saves time and costs too. More importantly, it provides a balanced plane for the material, not leaving any space empty or with insufficient material that later becomes the reason for various tilts in the area. Keep watching the latest tech ahead. Let's move on. The PAVAJELE Construction Company is laden with the latest technologies which have the potential to perform the typical labor-intensive procedures that consume more time and cost for the brick installation into minutes. As you can see in the video, a simple lifting machine is substantiated to pull up a number of decorated bricks for its plain installation. This machine is very smooth to operate and entail one individual to drive and pick the bricks and drop it at the directed space. The operations are initially carried by a typical tractor-type machine, which comes with a fitted hanging truck, which becomes the main carrier of the operations by pulling up the decorated bricks at the point. This machine is the perfect specimen for time and cost savings in construction industries. Quick Mix Bucket. The Quick Mix comes in a bucket pack which later entails 1 to 2 liquids for sticking purposes at the desired area. The modes of operation are very simple and plain. Open the liquid which comes in a plastic, put it in the Quick Mix bucket and integrate both of them. The integration can be done with the help of a drilling machine. Then apply it in the desired area and make some weight so that it brightens up the area after the process. The results are 101% guaranteed by the company if the process is carried very well. Similarly, it lasts for very long as having the property of sticking with the surface of the area. You can have the final look of the stairs and feel how illuminating it is. ASE HSP. The Quick Concrete Mixer Beauty comes with a bucket at its back that is the area where one puts all the substances that are intended to get mixed with each other. Purposefully, The quick mix use is prevailing in the construction industry for the mixture of cement and other elements that later transform into a stronger element which alone each substance can't be. Once the process of mixing is done, then comes the sprayer, which is similar to the deodorant sprays that we mostly use in our daily lives. It sprays the concrete at the walls where tiles or other elements are placed. This machine, like the above discussed, saves time and cost that the manual procedures takes and makes double of it. Observingly, this is the perfect fit for the wall plasters, which is the core element for the building design because when it is taken for granted, it threatens the entire building in various ways, such as chances of collapse, and making it less attractive, and this is the least it could do. Besides, the mixing procedure that is done with manual procedures is less to be that effective than this quick mix makes it. Now the point comes for its shape. The quick mix comes with a square shape with a bucket which is determined for a specific mixing capacity. Therefore, it needs to be pulled at the exact location where it can get placed. The sprayer can be taken at some determinable range for the full execution of the concrete. Concrete Estampado. The main component and factor for a building after it's strongly built is not its durability or the strong material that was used during the construction, but it's the impressions that it throws to the viewers. Therefore, the Concrete Estampado brought a series of solutions for this. The company designs various impressions that are customized. The procedure is very simple and easily applicable, but with the need of being cautious if one wishes to have the expected results. Take out the impression and spray it with a particular liquid which depreciates its stickiness with the concrete. Then apply it at the desired spot where you want to place the impression, which in later will catch many eyes because of its attractiveness. This has the property of absorption, which gets easily absorbed by the concrete where it is placed. Conclusively, at last, before it could throw the final expressions, the removal of the impression is necessary to be carried out. The removal becomes so soothing and relaxing. All you have to do is peel out the impression before applying the liquid spray to the concrete. Then, ultimately, the impression will start to sparkle and ignites the place where it was intended to do. If you are obsessed to watch powerful machines and latest technologies, please do hit the like button and subscribe our channel with punching the bell icon so that you can be the first to get the latest update. And write down in the comment section, "I am subscribed," so I will reply your comment as soon as possible.